Right.
Do gas.
Damn it.
Every time I give it gas, it dies.
Go. Little gas.
It's not out of gas. The carburetor.
We were running on choke. Now get over it.